Oh, hey, Anga! What's up?
I'm getting you out of there. Just don't move, or you'll make the hole deeper. Got it? Now, I'm gonna grab you with my talons.
Your talons?
Yeah, and lift you out one at a time. But you gotta trust me, okay?
I trust you. Me too.
I guess we all do.
Okay, here I come. Okay, Snow Monkey on top, get ready to grab my talons.
They're sharp!
No! Anga-langa! Didn't plan carrying all of you at once, but whatever. Miss me?
Sorry I moved, but you're the first giant bird we've ever met who's nice.
Thanks. Oh.
Thank you, everyone. But do we have to go back to the place with all the